Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the Motorola Edge X40. So if you have a problem with your headphones or any other Bluetooth device, always start from the simplest way. Just restart the Bluetooth connection, switch it off and switch it on again. And after that you can also try to restart your phone by clicking the power button and volume up and choose restart. On the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated pair mode. How to activate pair mode you will find the manual to your device on maybe on your YouTube channel. So in my case I have to click 3 times this button, sometimes you have to push the button for a few seconds for example, you have to check it by yourself. So if you're sure that your Bluetooth accessory is visible for other devices but still not for your phone, go to the settings in the next step, slide to the down and look for the system. Now tap on the reset options and choose Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. Click on the reset settings and configure it by this button. After that look for the device again. In the next step you can try to update the system. To do it just open the system updates and tap on the check for updates. If you have any update just load that and install. And there is a recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone on other Bluetooth device to check which one making a problem here, which one is visible, which not. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.